Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to make a curve text in Photoshop. Apply step 1, create a new layer and click the text, type text, design 1.0, okay. Then double click, right click on your mouse, warp text, ARC. Okay, and step 2, again create a new layer, select the pen tool, use path. Then click in here, hold Alt key, hold Alt curve line, then click again the text and type text size, type anything. And 0, that's it. Again double click. Okay, thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.